Hello everybody, my name is Chester. You can call me Chess. And I'm making this video because many people have asked, is the Ultimate Small Shop Guide by Ralph Chapman, is it for real? Is it legit? Is it a fake or what? Well, I think the only person you should believe is someone who can prove it, don't you think? And so someone who has it is in a pretty good position. So I do happen to have the Ultimate Small Shop Guide, and I'll be very happy to show you what I know about the Ultimate Small Shop Guide, and you would decide for yourself. I'm going to show you a little of the members area, so you would see that you can download the book, you can download the bonuses, you can download the cheat sheet, the plans, layout plans, and things like that. You would see that. I'll prove that here. As you can see, this is the URL of the Ultimate Small Shop Guide website. Okay, this is the members area. Look, welcome to your members area, and here are your download links. So this is the book. You get to download the book here. You get this cheat sheet to download, and you got the layout plans right here. Okay, and you have a whole lot of bonuses and so forth here. Audio, you can listen to the book, all right, and you have all the bonuses, and I'm not showing you everything, okay, but this is just to prove to you that it really is for real. So if you would like to purchase the Ultimate Small Shop Guide, there's a link in the description, so go ahead and click that.